Hi there, happy Saturday. It's Saturday here in the Philippines, almost lunchtime. And no, yeah, I don't look happy. How do I look today? Yeah, I'm in my classroom trying to finish things, like the papers needed for this coming Monday, beginning of classes. And how are you there? I just want to share some sentiments like because I have a heavy heart right now. And there are moments or there are times in life or yeah right now that I felt so heavy. Yeah, that I wanted to stay alone rather than surrounded by people. Yeah. And yeah, thinking, yeah, what happened? Thinking what happened. Like in everything you do, anything you do, all wrong. Lahat na lang mali. Kanang bisag unsa imong buhaton, na sila ika-comment, like, whatever you do, they're not happy. And when you try to say something, you try to clarify things out, it will just lead to quarrel. Kapoy, no? And that's why I think this social media, like this, I have time here in white tea because it's here I can express myself. How do I feel? Especially in white tea. And because there are things that I cannot tell to my family, to my mom, especially to my mom. Because I don't want to add their burdens. I hope everyone is okay. And I hope also that I'll be okay sooner or later. Bye guys.